Have you ever received a call from a private number and wanted to call them back, but couldn't because the number is hidden? If so, you're not alone. Before we jump into more advanced solutions, let's make sure to check your voicemail. Often, if a caller is hiding the number, they might leave a voicemail or message that provides you with some context or even a way to contact them back. Just open your dialer and go to voicemail. You might get the information you need right there. If you received a private call on a landline, you can try using the hashtag 69 feature, which will attempt to return the call to the number that just called you. Simply pick up your landline phone and dial hashtag 69. This feature works on many landline networks and it will try to redial the last incoming private or unknown number. If the feature is available, it will give you the number of the last person who called. If you're on a mobile phone and received a private number call, it might not be so easy to directly call them back. However, your mobile carrier may have a service where they can provide you with call logs or try to track the caller. You can simply contact your carrier's customer service and ask if they can help you uncover the number or block private calls. While not necessarily a way to call back a private number, you can block or prevent private numbers from calling you. Go to settings, go to apps, and on then phone. Here you can find silence unknown caller. Simply turn it on. This will automatically send calls from private or unknown numbers to voicemail. And that's it. This is how you simply call back a private number directly.